Hello friends, my name is Masu. Today we shall discuss about topic artificial intelligence and machine learning applications. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in artificial intelligence and machine learning, you want to learn about it. So let's start, friend. First of all, we have to understand that what is artificial intelligence, friend. Friend, artificial intelligence means basically that the computer systems or the applications, software especially, they start thinking like a human being. Like a human being has the most important thing is the intelligence. Now, intelligence, from where the intelligence came, it came from the past experiences or historical information. So similarly, the AI refers to the development of computer systems or software that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. These tasks include like problem solving, learning, perception, understanding natural language, and making decisions. So the software or the computer systems, they start behaving, they start thinking like a human being. Okay, so that is basically the called as the concept of artificial intelligence. Here are two words: artificial intelligence. Like machine has a intelligence based on the historical information, but it is artificial. Artificial means that it is based on the historical data which is inserted, which is basically given to the machine or basically given to the software. Now, machine learning or ML is basically a subset of artificial intelligence that focus on the development of algorithms and statistical models that enable computers to perform tasks without explicit programming. In other words, machine learning allows systems to learn and improve from experiences. Basically, a friend, we know that whenever we are making any software or application or web application, so we have to do the programming in Java, like programming by using any Android applications, iOS applications. So there are basically different types of programming are involved, different languages are involved. However, in machine learning, it what happened that basically by using the past experiences and historical data, machine basically learning from its experiences. This is very interesting that there is no basically need of any manual intervention or manual things. Machine by itself is basically learning. So that is why it is called as machine learning. Like machine is learning by itself. Now, friend, artificial intelligence and machine learning are transformative technologies that have a wide range of applications across various industries. So today we shall discuss about in detail about the AI and machine learning applications. First is the healthcare. Friend, first we will talk about disease diagnosis and prediction. Means that machine learning algorithms can analyze medical data such as patient records, images, and generic information to assist in diagnosing diseases and predicting potential health issues. Then drug discovery means AI helps in the identification of potential drug candidates by analyzing biological and chemical data, accelerating the drug discovery process. Then personalized medicine mean machine learning enables the development of personalized treatment plans by considering individual patient data, optimizing therapies for better customers or outcomes basically. So friend, we can notice that from here the AI can help a lot in the healthcare, and it's a very important pillar nowadays in the hospitals and healthcare and factors. Then finance means fraud detection. If we talk about first, so AI algorithms can analyze transactions patterns and detect anomalies, helping to identify fraudulent activities in real time. Friend, we know that in the like in the finance factor, like for example, people are using mobile applications, they are performing different types of transactions. So here it is very important that we must have to cater, we must have to detect the fraud as well, because many people they are there that who are performing any illegal activities as well. So AI helps in fraud detection as well. Then algorithm trading means machine learning is used to develop Trading strategies by analyzing market trends, predicting stock prices, and making automated trading decisions. Then credit scoring means machine learning models assess credit risk by analyzing a borrower financial history and other relevant factors. Friend, we know that whenever any person goes into the bank for to borrow a loan, so there are so many risks involved, like bank think that whether this person can pay back the amount or loan as well or not. So just to check or just for assessment purpose, the banks can use the AI or artificial intelligence based software as well. Then retail means the recommendation systems means AI algorithms analyze customer behavior and preferences to provide personalized product recommendations, enhancing the shopping experience. Then inventory management means machine learning helps optimize inventory levels by predicting demand, reducing overstock and stock outs. Then customer service means that AI powered chatbots and virtual assistants provide instant customer support and assistance, improving overall customer satisfaction. Friend, nowadays we know that like many softwares, for example, chat gpt and other AI based softwares nowadays easily available, which helps you a lot in different assistance and knowledge information as well. Then manufacturing means predictive maintenance means machine learning models analyze sensor data from equipment to predict when maintenance is required, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency here as well. Then quality control means AI powered computer vision systems inspect and identify defects in products during the manufacturing process, ensuring high quality output. Then supply chain optimization means machine learning is used to optimize supply chain process from demand forecasting to logistic management here as well. Then autonomous vehicles means object recognition means AI algorithms process data from sensors such as cameras and lidar to recognize and interpret objects, pedestrians and road signs here as well. Then path planning means machine learning is employed to plan optimal routes and make real-time decisions based on changing traffic conditions. Then driver assistance systems means AI powered systems assist drivers with features like lane keeping, adaptive cruise control and emergency braking as well. Then education means the personalized learning means AI analyzes student performance data to tailor educational content and pace according to individual needs. Then automated grading means AI machine learning algorithms can automate the grading process for assignments and assessments here as well.